March 18th, the third day when the schools are canceled, and we're going crazy because it's raining outside. We can't go out, so we're going to have some fun inside. And can you find the elevator somewhere here? We decided no matter what the weather is going to be like, and even if we're not going out, we're going to get dressed, right? So we don't feel sloppy the whole day. So hopefully we'll have fun and survive. Where's Olivia? Hi.
I thought I had a grip and wait, can we do 2 stuffed animals at one time?
No, one at a time.
Aww.
Alright. If you use your hand, that's cheating. Then you should put it back and then lift it. If you didn't drop it in the basket, you can use your hands to grab it, but you need to toss it back and then use your feet to put it in.
And if you do like this,
that's cheating.
Then you have to dump your whole basket back.
That's a good idea. That's a good punishment for cheating. Alright. Ready? Set, go.
Wow, is it in? Oh, good.
Yeah.
You need a help.
Yeah, I'll help you guys.
See, I can do it from
Yeah, that's perfect.
See,
See, she can scoop it.
See, I do this, and I can even scoop it. No, it's not fair. She has to restart because she touched it.
No, she only touched the basket. She didn't. See, it's hard. You gotta close your.
Done. I'm done.
So we're going to make pancake for breakfast today, and one of our favorite pancake is peanut butter and Nutella swirl. So to make the swirl, we first need to scoop peanut butter and Nutella into a Ziploc bag because we're going to use the corner of the bag as the piping bag. So peanut butter, we use creamy. This is easier to pipe. We try to put it closer to the tip of the bag. And Nutella. Typically we put half and half. It depends on how sweet you want it to be or how chocolatey you want it to be. You can adjust the ratio. Right, and then just close the bag so you will come up from the bottom. Close it. I'll turn on the heat. Let me grab a pair of scissors. So you just need to use the scissors to cut the tip of the bag off, not too big. Alright, and try to push it towards the tip. So you will have both coming out at the same time. Alright, so the pan now is heated up. I'll put some butter. And just regular pancake mixture.
I found it. Would you like to lift it up there?
And we'll squirt the peanut butter Nutella in like how you pipe in a cake. Start from the middle. Oopsie. So most of the batter will be sinking in. Most of the peanut butter Nutella will sink in the batter, and the only little bit left on the top will be caramelized a little bit and become a little bit crispy. So it's really good. You get the texture of the crispiness and the creaminess of the peanut butter and Nutella that's in the middle of the pancake. Let me grab a plate.
Is this training mode?
There you go. Peanut butter Nutella swirl pancake. So the e-learning seems to be going pretty well. Then they're pretty self-sufficient, so I don't have to watch them when they do that. And I decided for my sanity and health, when they're doing their e-learning starting today, I am going to go to the basement to exercise. So I'm just browning some beef. After they're brown, and then after I drain the fat, I put this Korean barbecue sauce in it to make it taste like a barbecue meat, Asian barbecue meat. Now the meat is brown, I'm just adding the sauce in. Doesn't need to be cooked for too long, it's just a couple minutes once the meat gets the flavor, and then it will be ready to be used for sushi. So what we need is the seaweed sheet, and then we made the rice. We're going to put avocado and egg. It's almost like scrambled eggs, but you don't scramble it. You just make it a big sheet and then cut it in strips. And then carrots, and then the beef that we made just now. All right, stir a little bit to keep them in.
Can you hold them in our roll?
Hold on. We don't want the sheet to be in the food, right? Because you're not going to eat the bamboo, right? So it's only to help you roll. Yeah. No squeezing yet. No squeezing yet. Okay. All right, that's good.
What about the other part?
Hold on.
There.
Because as we roll, we kind of need to let go of the sheet, right? So this is good. And now we can roll it.
Squeeze it.
Yeah, that's very. You want more rice on the top because you need it to glue the whole thing together. Now you can squeeze, not too tight. Okay, there you go. There you go.
Is this mine?
Yes, I did it so you can put it in whichever shape.
This one kind of went back and forth. I'm just gonna do this to make it a nicer circle.
Very nice. Olivia, can you hold it up to the camera and show what shape it is? Can we see here? There you go. It's a heart-shaped sushi.
I want to try to do something.
Yeah. Are we aligning them up? Very nice. Very nice. Alright, you want to eat now?
I'm gonna do one at a time so they're fresh.
Yeah, that's a good idea. You want to eat it when it's fresh.
Can you get me a plate?
So Daddy's working from home from today, right? So hopefully our noise didn't drive him crazy. He's hiding in a basement, basement
He's not
office.
hiding
So
though.
this is Daddy's lunch. We just put the same kind of egg and beef, and we cook out some vegetable for him, and then there's some rice underneath. So that's a bowl for Daddy's lunch.
Like 50. Daddy always gives us that.
So I got these little pots with seeds from Target before things went really bad. I didn't know it would be like this, but now I'm glad that I somehow had something for them to do from before the schools canceled. We've been doing this for a few years, right? and it's kind of fun to plant them and then keep watching it grow and anticipate it to sprout. So that's what we'll be doing, checking them up and watering them every day.
I got this one. Like little burrs. Huh? Little what? Burrs.
What
Like
kind
the
of
pokey
flower
things.
is it?
Forget me not.
What flower do you have?
Ooh, look
Olivia?
at these.
Huh? It's tiny. I remember the sunflowers. He is really big.
5. I got exactly 5.
Okay. So we're making banana bread now. I already have the dinner curry beef stew in the oven, so I figure since the oven is already on, I'll bake something at the same time for breakfast. We happen to have ripe bananas, so Olivia's helping me to make banana bread. She's a pro at smashing bananas. We need 2.5 cups of flour, but that is half cup. So how many scoops do we need?
5.
Very good. Do you know how to level it with a knife? That's 1. It's okay. 1 cup of sugar. How many scoops?
This is 1 cup.
Yeah.
This
That's
is
a little bit
half
less, so
a
it's okay. It's okay. You don't have to be super precise for the banana bread.
1.
You can tilt the jar a little bit. That's probably make it easy. There you go.
2.
Okay, maybe you can add a teeny tiny bit since both scoops are a little bit short.
Like this?
A little bit more than that. Yeah, that's good.
It's like a mountain.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Alright, half teaspoon of salt.
Half
Is that half teaspoon or is that whole?
Half.
Okay, so 1 scoop. Don't pour it over the batter, okay? Just in case it overflows.
I'll just pour it over the plate.
Alright.
Is this good?
That's good.
Dear.
Alright. And then you need 3.5 teaspoon of baking powder. So
6, 7.
Very
7
good.
of these?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, that's a lot of baking powder. What does baking powder do?
Make it nice and fluffy. Like it creates
Then it
bubbles.
needs to be really fluffy.
Mm-hmm.
One.
Mm-hmm.
Two. Here.
Yeah. Alright, 1 egg.
I'm going to not.
There you go.
Any plastic? No. I'm gonna go wash my hands.
Okay. Dump the egg in.
milk spread.
It's okay. Alright. And then we need 1/2 cup of milk.
Oh, can I do it since it's light?
Yeah.
So how much is
1/2.
this? Is half?
This is a whole, right? Do you see the?
Two, that's
Yeah. And keep looking at your eye level. There you go.
Spin at the end. I'm scared.
There's not much left, so it's okay.
There.
Perfect.
Yep, that's 12. There. Now what?
You
Pour it
can
in?
pour them in, yeah.
I'm going to destroy the egg. I covered the egg. I covered the egg. Yeah.
Yeah, I use it for oil. So 3 tablespoons.
How much is this?
That's 1 tablespoon. Yeah.
So 3 is it?
That's okay if it's a little bit over or less.
2.
Mm-hmm.
3.
Very good. And mix it hard.
Why do you need to mix it?
Because you want all the ingredients to mix well together, right? Otherwise there will be a lump of salt here and a lump of baking powder there. Ew.
And some eggs right there, and a lot of milk over there, and a lot of sugar over there.
And 1 cup or 1/2 cup of chocolate chips. Alright. Want to mix it in? I need to butter the pan. Make sure you butter, especially the corner. Okay.
Butter.
So, this is our banana bread. Will be in the oven at 350 for an hour to an hour and 10 minutes. And on the top is our curry beef stew.